Hi everyone, it's Kino here. I'm with Paige and we're going to help you work on Eka Pada Sirsasana, the part where you're actually putting the leg behind the head. All right, this is a very advanced movement, not really something you want to try if you've never practiced Ashtanga yoga before. Definitely put in the practice work before you try to put the leg behind the head, or maybe the leg is not happy with you after. So let's start off in a seated position. All right, then we're going to use external rotation on the right side. So start to get that hip joint externally rotated. Now a good stage to move to next is to just put the foot near the ear. And this will help get the hyper hip flexion, knee pointing out to the side. And then this will help you find out if it might be accessible. If the foot doesn't get comfortably near the ear, then maybe it's not ready yet to actually go behind the head. Next, the key movement to actually getting the leg behind the head is to hold on with the left hand to the opposite foot and then place your calf muscle far behind the back, moving the head forward and the shoulder forward and like you snuggle the leg. It's almost like you gotta snuggle the leg to get it back there. And the leg moves back while the chest moves forward. This gives space for the head to go up. This is actually just the prepare of the asana. The Eka Pada Sirsasana asana is actually a fold forward. So when we fold forward, we have to actively pull back with the head and actively pull back with the knee. This gives space for the back to actually release forward and support the leg while we're in the posture. After 5 breaths here, we inhale, come up, taking the hands in prayer, and then that's good. We can release. Slowly finding out how to use the external rotation means that the knee will be safe, that the leg will slide behind the head, and that will go slowly, slowly. If you have any pressure in your back, you want to exit the asana and make sure you're localizing the movement in the hip joint and not over-rounding the spine. Keep practicing. If you enjoyed this breakdown, then come practice with me on my online channel, omstars.com. I would love to see you there where you can get more in-depth instruction into the Ashtanga yoga method.